In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change music language in Suno AI. 5 minutes. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to make Suno generate lyrics in the language you want, either by writing them yourself or by guiding the built-in lyric writer to do it for you. First, head to Suno and log in. Once you're in, look for the Create button and open the creation page. For full control over language and wording, switch to the Custom option. Custom mode lets you decide exactly what the song says and how the system should write it. Next, open the lyrics section. This is where the language decision actually happens. You have two easy paths. If you already have lyrics, you can simply type or paste them directly in your target language. Suno respects the text you provide, so if you write in Spanish, Japanese, Arabic, or any other language, that's what it will try to sing. Keep the formatting clean with short lines, clear verses, and a chorus if you want one repeated. Include proper accents or characters. Suno handles them well. If your language uses right to left text, keep it tidy and consistent to help the system read it correctly. If you'd rather have Suno draft the lyrics for you, click the magic wand icon to open the writing tools, then choose Write Full Song. In the prompt box, clearly specify the language and any helpful context. Be direct and explicit. For example, write a dreamy synth pop song in French about late night city lights, or write an upbeat Afro beats track in Yoruba celebrating friendship. If dialect matters, say so. You can also mention tone, tempo, and structure, but the key is telling it the exact language you want. When your prompt looks good, click Write Lyrics and give Suno a moment to generate. Let it finish completely. Review the result to confirm the language is correct and consistent. If you see mixed lines or the tone isn't right, tweak the prompt to be more specific and try again or lightly edit the lyrics right in the box. With lyrics ready, complete the rest of your setup. Choose the style or vibe you're aiming for and adjust any available settings that match your vision. This is also a great time to double check that all lines are in the same language and that special characters are intact. Finally, click Create to generate your song. When it's done, listen through. If the pronunciation or phrasing needs fine tuning, refine the lyrics or prompt and create another take. That's it. Clear, consistent language control in just a few steps.